Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger, your messenger banner. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger banner account, you should just go to settings as you see and we click here settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to messenger. Then this page we click first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi and then you can know how to fix your messenger video call on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.